Good morning everyone. Let us see today how to check whether a paper is indexed in Scopus or not. First go to the Scopus website. In the website right hand side there is an option to check author details. So click that link. So it will ask your author detail. So enter in the column provided the first name of the author and a last name of the author. Most probably it is a initial. Next we have to enter the organization where a author is working. So once entering all the details, click the author search. It will list all the faculty names which matches the first name, second name and the organization. So here in this case there are only one profile available. So you can click that profile. It will give a number of documents indexed in the Scopus and number of citations that particular paper is having. If you want to see all the papers which are indexed, click the edit details and it will ask whether it is a own author or we are checking for others. So if it is your profile, you go with your detail and there you can see the author name. Sometimes author detail will be in a different way. Sometimes initial first name second, then in some paper we given first name and then initial. So we given in different way. So all this will appear and in different organization maybe author worked earlier. So all those details will be displayed. There you can go, you can see the list of papers. There are some options available. You can sort based on name, first name, last name, based on year, ascending and descending order based on the alphabet, first alphabets. All those detail is available in the Scopus database. You can see each year the paper is published and whether it is a conference, journal, all the details are available here. So you can go here and you can check all our details. And you can go back if you want to check, suppose a particular user author worked in another organization also earlier. So there you can go, you can check. There is another database called Arched. In that Arched also all these papers are listed. So you can give the authentication so that the Scopus and the Arched will be linked together. Whatever the paper listed in the Arched, all will appear in the Scopus also if it is indexed. That is also one way where you have to update and keep both databases as synchronized. So here you can see in this Arched all our details are available. Our basic qualifications, where we are working, what are the faculty qualification details, each and every paper, whatever it is, every paper directly indexed either from the Web of Science or from the Scopus or whether a user entered that paper, all the details are available. So you can link this Arched along with your Scopus so that whatever paper author is publishing, each and everything will be indexed in a Scopus. So suppose earlier the particular author is worked in some other organization, you want to check the papers which are indexed by the same author in some other organization, you can go, you can check. Here in this case, again you got to go, you got to give those details, first name, then second name and which organization we are working. So here it will list the paper which we published, the author published when they are working in another organization. So here I selected the previous organization, or suppose we are doing any higher studies, PhD. In PhD we are publishing papers. So those details will be listed here. You can see here more than one profile matching the first name, last name. Out of these three, the first one is our profile we are selecting. Here it shows the list of papers we published, same author but in a different organization. This is how the authors can verify the papers which are indexed in Scopus. We can submit this, we can take the screenshot and we can submit this as a proof to our organization for promotions, for any incentives. We can submit this as a proof. Thank you guys. We will see in the next video and with some super topic. Thank you. Bye. Take care.